Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. This is the next level. So here one person told like these things are connected basically. Like this basically things are connected. So here basically we are discussing the topic that is land basically. But here one person asked the question basically. Everywhere basically the human has created something basically in the land basically. So that might not be creating problem basically. So that is also good question basically. For example, in one land basically that 130, I have taken my example only, 130-meter land basically. In that land, Sunil Nair basically body basically is coming, energy is coming from that 130-meter land, and that is situated in 13 cities. So 1% told that yes basically. If anything basically are created above the land basically, where basically my data basically exists, as in some park created, some buildings created, some hotels created, some commercial complex created. So anything is going to affect basically. So one person told that need to check basically, because with this type of thing basically we might not have checked. But zoology department say that basically we have given the permission. So that is checked basically. The lava department basically say that basically we have created that land basically. So that is also checked. So here the question is, what are the effects basically going to happen if that land is getting, that commercial complex, whatever things basically is created in the above the land basically. Within that land basically, yeah. So one person told that in next video.